What's up, witches? I pray you're all well. I'm sitting here at my altar and something came through so strongly that I had to stop everything that I was doing, bonnet and all, and come tell you this. For those of you who don't know, I am adopted. I don't know my biological family, and that has made connecting with my ancestors a challenging and difficult road, and something very different than what witches who have a connection to their lineage experience. And I know I'm not alone. I feel so strongly that one of you, or maybe many of you, are in deep, desperate need of someone to show you how to develop an ancestral connection, a relationship of veneration, when you either don't know your blood lineage or for whatever reason you are disconnected from them. So I am going to be teaching a class on this topic called Orphaned Ancestry. It is a class specifically for those who are adopted, who went through foster care, who were orphaned, or for some other reason estranged or disconnected from your families and your lineages. There was a time where I thought I could be the most powerful witch out there and not have a connection with my ancestors. And the way my life has changed ever since I established that relationship initially is so phenomenal that I know that it's something all of us need to have, even if we don't have an obvious way of doing that. So this class, like I said, Orphaned Ancestry, is a class on ancestral veneration specifically for adopted, orphaned, fostered, or otherwise estranged witches who want to learn about ancestral veneration from an eclectic perspective. So no matter what your tradition is, this class is for you. We will talk about ancestral veneration in different traditions, but you do not have to have a particular tradition or spiritual path in order to build a relationship with your ancestors. And I want to teach you how to do it from a non-denominational, eclectic perspective. So join me on May 1st at 10 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Pacific time. I'm going to teach you what I have learned about this topic. This class is going to be available in the BronxWitch HQ online portal. Go ahead and register for the portal now. Registering for the portal is completely free. And while you wait for this class to become available on May 1st, I want you to look around in the portal at the other classes that we have available. Topics like spiritual baths, herbalism, and crystal healing are all going to be touched on in my Orphaned Ancestry class. So you may as well go ahead and start familiarizing yourself with some of these topics and these practices. I'm going to show you how to pull it all together to create an ancestral relationship that is unique and powerful for you, even if you don't know anything about your ancestors, or perhaps don't like everything that you know about your ancestors. So I don't know who this message is for. If this message was for you, comment down below, and you better be in class. Okay, you better be on class, because you got me on the internet looking crazy in my bonnet and all. So I better see you there on May 1st. But head to the HQ online portal and create your login now, so you're ready to go on May 1st. I'm really excited to bring this topic to you guys and share this journey with each of you. So I'll see you on May 1st. Blessed be.